Me and a brown man. Yeah, baby. Come here, rude boy. Get it! We're rich!
Okay. Yep, that's me.
Welcome to the channel. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. You know it's your girl Tara, and we are back again with another video. Now, if you don't follow the channel, or don't know what we're going today, because the last video I did, I told you what the next video was going to be about. Okay, guys. So today's video is going to be my baby's face reveal. That's baby Romelio. I'm gonna tell you guys his name. I'm gonna tell you his date of birth. I'm gonna tell you how we get the name or what I mean. We're gonna tell you what I mean. And yeah, I'm gonna show you his face. He's right here with me. He's sleeping. And every time I come to do that video, Romelio asleep. Like, seriously? Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Smash that like button so this video can get recommended to other persons. And please leave a comment. More than one comment. So let's get into the video. So the reason why I didn't do this video earlier is because Romelio never christened it. So I never want to do the video, put him out on the social media out there, and him not christened. Understand? So I was waiting on that day. He was supposed to christen Christmas Day, but the pastor was sick. So we had to wait till January morning. It was christened the 1st of January. So guys, I also have that video for you. And the reason why I didn't post it yet is because I didn't make this video yet. So guys, hope you enjoy. My baby was born on the 7th of November, 5:07 in the morning. His name is Romelio Ricardo Tyree Tracy. Everybody say, you have two middle names? Yes, he has two middle names. Reason being is because his father did want to give him two middle names, and maybe that's the one give him a name after my first name. So that's why he get the Tyree as a second middle name. So the Romelio, the reason why I get Romelio, his father name Roman. So I say, how may I get a name close to that, right? But the way my father name spell, it's kind of hard to get a name close to that because the name spell R-O-H-M-A-N, right? So it's kind of hard to get a name with R-O-H. So me did I think, I think, I say. You say Roman, Romel. No, I don't like the Romelio, yes. So when me write down the Romelio now, when your father come and say, you like that name, yeah? Romelio, and his father say yes. And he say, if you give me now, and he say yes. Alright, second name now, your father say, wanted to get him middle name. So, why is it so dark? Wow. Guys, we have to switch the camera because over the other angle was very dark. Yes, so the father say, his father say, wanting to get him middle name, so that's how he got Ricardo for the first middle name. The second middle name now, I was saying I want him to get a name off of my name. So I say T-Y. I Google some names starting with T-Y, and I saw Tyreek, and I really did like Tyreek, right? So I say me I go give him the name there, the middle name, but then again me never know say I couldn't give him 2 middle name, right? So when the lady come from RGD when him did just born now and I said down him name, I said to him, say, we can't give him 4 names, and she said you can give him all 6 names, is your child. And I'm like, okay then. So same time Chantal call and ask me, that's Chantal my friend. If you watch other video, if you have followed the channel a long time, you must know Chantal. She have a channel named Terika's Vlog, you can go over there and subscribe. Anyway, because she named Terika now, I mean named Tyra. She did call me same time and ask me if I have baby. So I say, yeah, I have baby. So I said, what do you think about Tyreek? And she said, Tyreek, yes. I always love the name then. I did I get that name then because I want I like the Tyreek of Terika. So I said, yes, and the TY of my name, Tyra. So we got the name Romelio, Ricardo, Tyreek, Tracy. Yeah. So that's his name. Romelio, Ricardo, Tyreek, Tracy. Where did he get his last name? From his father's ancestors. Anyway, alright. So the meaning of Romelio is God's beloved. Meaning of Ricardo is King's ruler. And the meaning of Tyreek is morning star. So he is God's beloved, he's a king's ruler, and he's also a morning star. You get me? Yeah. So that's that. And guys, he's now 2 months and 2 weeks. Saturday coming, he will be 2 months and 3 weeks, right? Because he was born the 7th of November. Here we go. How are you ready to see Mr. Romelio, baby star? Guys, I call him Honorable. I call him. Sometimes when I talk to him, I say, Sir Honorable Romelio. Yeah. You're gonna be the Prime Minister. Yes, guys, because them say anything when you want for your kids, you have to speak it over them life. Because words powerful, you know. So when you call your kids out some name and them, somebody stick on them, and you know. So he's Honorable Romelio Tracy, whether you don't like it or not. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man, you have to claim things over your kids' them life. Anyway, let's meet Romelio Tracy right about now. Hold on, guys. Follow up them, yeah. Guys, I'm so excited for you guys to meet him because you guys have been my fans for so long. And guys, I think we're gonna start one new movie, but we don't show yet. Alright, so carry down the camera a little bit. Alright, hold on, let me just get so close. And guys, here is baby Romelio. Here is he, guys. Guys, I'm gonna have to insert some videos with him playing and saying hi to you guys, because we have a couple videos with him a play. I'm gonna say, hey, say hi YouTube, and in the pan so like when I sleep now, no matter man, because guess what, we're not gonna see me in action.
Honey, I don't have an attitude. I just have a personality you can't handle.
Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Say, how are you? Say, how are you guys today? Say, blessed Sunday. Blessed Sunday. Say it. Yeah. You hear that, guys? Blessed Sunday. Hope everybody is okay. Say, hope everybody is okay. Everybody okay? Ask them. Ask them. Say, everybody okay? Ask them now. Say, everybody okay? Alright, they're gonna answer you in the comment section. Okay, Papa? Okay, say bye. Say bye. Tell them ta-ta. Say love you guys. Tell them love you guys. Yes. Say love you guys. because right after this, make sure you stick and stay, you know, and watch out the whole of the video, because after the video finish, I'm gonna go put in some clip that I have with him telling you guys hi. Okay guys, so this is baby Romelio in a jumpsuit, one shoulder on, one shoulder off. I want to feel like that doesn't have a boy no style. Yeah, this is baby Romelio. Papa, Papa, wakey wakey, wakey wakey, wakey wakey. Papa, Papa. Guys, he must sleep. And it's so peaceful, like, oh my god. Guys, only want to get a good look at him. Only want to get a good look at him, guys. Let's see security in my pie. Where am I pie down so far? Oh god. Wait, you know, guys. He was born 7 pounds 3 ounces. When he got 6 weeks in he was 12 pounds. But no, the boy look like him at about 15 or 16 pounds. Look at him. This is a 2-month baby. Let me show you guys. Right? The boss have one. Be careful about that. I'm too hot. Sir Honorable? Sir Honorable? Mr. Tracy? Honorable? Honorable Tracy. Honorable Tracy. Guys, him now awake. Sir Honorable, come on, talk to my people. It's gonna be old people, you know. Papa, wake up the man. Papa, wakey, 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 wakey. Alright, guys, only we've been getting the fame now because him now awake, me no know. See there? Rami. Put lipstick on him. Rami, guys, when I really kiss him on him mouth, I want him to wake up. Romelio. Rami. See, guys, this is my Honorable Romelio Tracy. Sir Honorable? Sir Honorable? Mr. Tracy. Romelio, if people want to talk to you, wake you know? Wakey. Guys, him now awake. I don't know what to do. Guys, will not catch him in action one next time. As we said, I have other video clips with he saying hi to you guys. I'm gonna insert those videos later. Papa. Okay. I can't believe he asleep throughout the video. You know, it's like a bunny. Is it Psycho Bunny or is it Bugs Bunny? Comment, leave it down in the comment section and let me know. Guys, comment and let me know what you think about baby Romelio. I also have one next video, you know, with him 1 month photo shoot. Remember, so I have them locked because I have to share them all with you guys, okay? Okay, guys? So, until next time, bye. Papa, say bye. He's sleeping, guys. See you guys next time. Love you guys. And if you reach this far in the video, thanks for being here. All who there a long time, thanks for your journey with me. And all who just come here, please subscribe and make us one family. Okay, guys? So see you next time. Bye. Say what's up. All right. Say what's up. Yes. Say I love you guys. Say, I love you guys. Yes. Love you guys. All right. Yay. What was that? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Say, how are you guys today? Yes. Say, how are you? Say, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Say no, Papa. Say, please subscribe, everybody. Tell them to subscribe. Say, subscribe. Tell them, Papa. Tell them to subscribe. So please subscribe, everybody. Tell them to subscribe. Say love you guys. Tell them, say I love you guys. Please subscribe to Mommy's channel. Yes. Wanna hear that, guys? Subscribe. Then hear you, know, Papa? Yes. Tell them something else. Tell them bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Say bye. Tell them ta-ta. Bye. See you later. Tell them see you in the next one. Wanna hear that, guys? He said bye.